Hello everyone, welcome back to It's English YT. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important topics in English grammar, parts of speech. Whether you're learning English for the first time, or brushing up on your skills, understanding the parts of speech is key to improving your language. So let's get started. Alright, there are 8 main parts of speech in English. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let's break each one down, and I'll give you an example to make it clear. Ready? First up, nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, the dog barked loudly. Here, dog is a noun because it's the name of an animal. We can also have proper nouns like John or abstract nouns like happiness. Next, we have pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Instead of repeating dog over and over, we can say it. For example, the dog is happy, it is wagging its tail. Here, it is a pronoun replacing dog. Let's move on to verbs. A verb shows action or a state of being. For example, she runs every morning. Runs is a verb because it shows the action the subject, she, is performing. Verbs can also show a state, like in, he is tired. Is here shows the state of being. Now, on to adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. They tell us more about a person, thing, or place. For example, the big dog barked loudly. Big is an adjective describing the noun dog. Adjectives can tell us size, color, shape, and more. Next are adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, she runs quickly. Quickly is an adverb modifying the verb runs. It tells us how she runs. Moving on to prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. For example, the cat is under the table. Under is a preposition showing the relationship between cat and table. Prepositions can indicate location, direction, time, and more. Next, we have conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. For example, I want to go swimming, but it's raining. But is a conjunction connecting 2 clauses. Other common conjunctions are and, or, and because. Lastly, interjections. These are words or phrases that express strong emotions or sudden feelings. For example, wow, that's amazing. Wow is an interjection because it shows excitement. Interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark. Alright, to recap, 1. Nouns, people, places, things, or ideas. 2. Pronouns take the place of nouns. 3. Verbs show action or state of being. 4. Adjectives describe nouns. 5. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 6. Prepositions show relationships in time, space, or direction. 7. Conjunctions connect words or phrases. 8. Interjections express emotions. Now you have a basic understanding of the 8 parts of speech in English. Knowing these will help you become more confident when speaking, writing, and understanding English grammar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more grammar tips or if you have any questions about today's topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.